How can I fix the issue of ITV Hub TV not working?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to fix the issue of ITV Hub TV not working. If you're facing problems accessing or streaming content on ITV Hub, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll go through some troubleshooting steps to help you resolve the issue. Let's get started.
Check your internet connection.
The first thing you'll want to do is check your internet connection. Poor or unstable internet connectivity can cause issues with streaming services like ITV Hub. Here's what you can do. 1. Make sure you're connected to the internet and have a stable connection. 2. Restart your router to refresh the connection. 3. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or connect using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection.
Clear cache and cookies.
Sometimes, accumulated cache and cookies can interfere with the functionality of ITV Hub. Let's clear them out. 1. Access your browser settings. This may vary depending on your browser. 2. Look for the Clear Browsing Data or similar option. 3. Choose to clear the cache and cookies. You may also want to clear other temporary files or browsing history. 4. Restart your browser and try accessing ITV Hub again.
Update ITV Hub and your device.
Outdated versions of the ITV Hub app or your device's operating system could be causing compatibility issues. Let's ensure everything is up to date. 1. Check for updates in your device's app store or system settings. 2. If an update is available for ITV Hub, install it. 3. Restart your device to apply the updates effectively.
Disable VPN or proxy connections.
Using a VPN or proxy server can sometimes disrupt the streaming service. Try disabling them temporarily. 1. Turn off any VPN or proxy connections you might have enabled. 2. Restart your browser or device if needed. 3. Attempt to access ITV Hub again and see if the issue is resolved.
Contact ITV Hub Support.
If you've tried the previous steps and are still experiencing issues with ITV Hub, it's time to reach out to their support team. 1. Visit the ITV Hub Support website. Search for ITV Hub Support on your preferred search engine. 2. Look for their contact options, such as email or live chat. 3. Explain the issue you're facing and provide relevant details about your device and the problem you encountered. 4. Follow any further instructions or troubleshooting steps they may provide. That wraps up our video on how to fix the issue of ITV Hub TV not working. We've covered some essential troubleshooting steps to help you get back to enjoying your favorite shows and content on ITV Hub. Remember to check your internet connection, clear cache and cookies, update your apps and device, and disable VPN or proxy connections if necessary. If the issue persists, don't hesitate to contact ITV Hub Support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks.